Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today class is Geography MCQ. Which state has smallest land area? Goa, Nagaland, Sikkim, Tripura. The answer is Goa. Which foreign country is closest to Andaman Islands? Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Indonesia, Pakistan. The answer is Myanmar. Jharkhand does not share boundary with West Bengal, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh. The answer is Madhya Pradesh. The state with the largest area under wasteland is Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Rajasthan. The answer is Jammu Kashmir. The largest population of scheduled tribes is in Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim. The answer is Madhya Pradesh. The oldest mountain in India according to geographical history are Satpuras, Nilagiris, Vindhyas, Aravalis. The answer is Aravalis. The highest mount peak in India is Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest, MTK2, Nanda Devi. The answer is MTK2. The Vindhyas belong to which class of mountains? Block mountains, fold mountains, volcanic mountains, residual mountains. The answer is block mountains. The highest peak in South India is Doda Beta, Makkurti, Analmudi, none of these. The answer is Analmudi. The new alluvial deposits found in the Gangetic plains are known as Bhabhar, Bhangar, Khadar, Terai. The answer is Khadar. The Himalayas are generally divided into three ranges which don't include Shivalik, Great Himalayas, Karakoram, Less Himalayas. The answer is Karakoram. The highest peak of Himalayas in India is in Uttar Pradesh, Kashmir, Sikkim, Himachal Pradesh. The answer is Sikkim. The length of Indian coastal line is about 5,900 km, 6,100 km, 7,000 km, 7,500 km. The answer is 7,500 km. Which state has the largest coastal line in India? Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. The answer is Gujarat. Which one of the following countries has the largest international boundary with India? Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Pakistan. The answer is Bangladesh. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.